Hey everyone. All right, so I thought I would come on here and give you guys a little bit of my game plan for the week ahead. It is Saturday morning, so the last week is fresh in my mind. So sometimes I do these on Saturday, sometimes I do them on Sunday. Sometimes my weekend is so busy I don't get to do them at all. But I have some time here, so I thought I would come on and do a game plan for the week ahead. So thank you guys who are tuning in live. Probably only a few people will tune in live. A couple hundred. Many of you will watch this over the next couple days as you see it posted and get ready for the week ahead. So why don't we go over? Let's see. Where should we begin? And if you have any comments or questions that you want me to go over, just post them in the chat feed for those that are live, or for those that watch later, post in the comments, and I'll come back for it. So maybe what we could do first, let's see, I can log into the chat room here. So as many of you guys probably know, we had a pretty wild week, this past week. So and HUDI, China stocks are back. All right. So this is a China stock. Why don't we look at this one first? So it started on, I guess it started a little bit kind of earlier in the week, just kind of creeping higher. And then on Thursday, it was gapping up pre-market. So I had a high of 38, and, it was like looking kind of interesting. It, at the open, drops down, and then it does a little red to green here. It pops up to $40 a share, and then it halts down at 27. And I saw that and I was like, wow, this is that typical, China stock, just Wild West stuff. I mean, I don't know what is going on with it, but that is crazy. And then a couple hours later, someone's like, tells me, hey, Hamang in the chat room bought the dip on it and he crushed it. And I was like, what do you mean? What dip? And I refresh and it's at like $70 a share. And I was like, wow, I did not see that coming. So it halted down twice, and then it bounces and halts up, and then it just kept going. I mean, it was crazy. So I don't even know. I mean, none of this is new with the Chinese stocks. Many of you guys have seen this before. So anyways, it held up pretty well. I didn't trade it on Thursday, but I did trade it yesterday. So on Thursday into the close, by the way, it ends up breaking that ridiculous high of 70 and going all the way up to $155 a share. Granted, very light volume, still made the move. All right, so yesterday I got a couple trades on it. Out of the gates, we got a halt up and a move up to $104. Drops back down, sells off, looks like it's probably done. And then once again, same pattern. Well, not exact same, but very similar to the previous day. It rips up, gets above VWAP, and it starts to squeeze. Now, for what it's worth, I took a screenshot. I checked my level 2. I took a screenshot at one point, and the level 2, I want to say it was $157 by 170. So it was like a 13-point spread, and I was just like, I don't know how you guys are trading it. I mean, with such a big spread, it takes a really high level of conviction. Oh, sorry.